With all the stresses of everyday life, it's so important that we take some time for ourselves and just relax. So today, I'm going to share some ways you can pamper yourself in the comfort of your home without spending tons of money, using all amazing natural ingredients. So, to set the mood and calm your mind, you can light a candle that has some relaxing aroma, or you can diffuse your essential oil. So how this works is quite interesting. So there are scent molecules that are shaped to fit the receptors in our brain. These trigger neuroendocrine responses that affect our mood, energy levels, and our psychological reactions. So therefore, you can instantly feel less stressed and relaxed. And I really like to light my salt lamp. It helps to clear out all the negativity. The warm pinkish to orange glow of the salt lamp is so soothing to eyes, and it acts as a mood booster. And there is nothing relaxing to me than drinking a hot cup of tea. But if you do not like the tea, you can go with any beverage of your choice which you love. So to start with our at-home spa, I am starting off with hair oiling. You can use any oil of your choice, but today I'm going to be using a mixture of avocado oil, castor oil, few essential oils like tea tree and peppermint oil. I know we all get busy, so occupied in our daily responsibilities and never have time for hair oiling. But guys, I can't stress on this topic enough. It's super important to oil your hair because it promotes towards your hair and scalp health. So I'm just going to mix all these amazing oils together, and after I'm done, I'm going to gently massage the oil into my scalp nicely. And yes, do not forget your ends because it helps with split ends. And after I'm done oiling my hair, I'm going to tie my hair in a ponytail or a bun and move on to the next step. So moving on, next step is very important step, and it is to cleanse your skin. And for that, I'm making all natural cleanser today using ground oats, honey and rose water. Oatmeal is a natural exfoliant and helps to get rid of any dead skin cells. It is also rich in lipids, which helps to lock in moisture and heal the skin. And honey is known for its antifungal and antibacterial property. So I'm just gonna mix these all up. Until the paste looks something like this, and gently massage it on my skin. So you kind of have to be careful with this DIY recipes because it can get messy. So I recommend you do it in your bathroom. And then I'm just going to gently massage this mixture on all over my face. This is really great for all skin types and even for the most sensitive skin because of its anti-inflammatory properties. It soothes irritation and treats inflammations as well. And then clean the mixture away with cold water. And then it's time to make a yummy antioxidant face mask which has strawberry, yogurt and honey. And then in a blending jar, I'm going to place some chopped up strawberries, half teaspoon of honey and half teaspoon of yogurt. You can use a plain yogurt as well. And then I'm just going to blend this mixture all together until the paste looks something like this. And it will be a little runny. So yeah, this is how it should look like. And then I'm going to apply it using a brush. And I'm not going to lie, it can be messy, so I recommend using this in your bathroom. But once it dries up, it's going to be okay. So I'm just going to sit back, relax, have my tea and read my favorite book until this mask dries up. Anyways, this video wouldn't be complete without DIYing something for the rest of our body. So I'm going to share a DIY salt body scrub, and for that you're going to need some Epsom salt, grapeseed oil and tea tree essential oil. So basically Epsom salt is magnesium sulfate which relaxes the muscle and releases the stress. And a lot of people are deficient in magnesium, so we all can have some extra magnesium, right? For making this, I'm going to make 6 tablespoons of Epsom salt and 7 tablespoons of grapeseed oil or any oil of your choice. You can use almond oil, coconut oil, or whatever your heart desires. So this is how it should look like, but if you feel that it's too coarse for you, then you can totally go ahead and add more oil. And you are going to use this scrub on your damp skin and be very gentle. Then you can end with a nice warm shower to wash everything off. And after you are done, I like to use some sort of body oil which is light. I'm using this Shikha Singh skincare body ritual oil, and I am loving it because it smells amazing and it's super lightweight, so your skin doesn't feel oily at all. And for the face, I like to use this Radiance Face Serum from Shikha Singh skincare. It's an Ayurvedic blend and it has very powerful ingredients like triphala, gotukula and hyaluronic acid. Triphala is like very powerful antioxidant and it is rich in vitamin C, which helps to brighten the look of your skin. What I love about this product is it's very lightweight, gets absorbed in your skin very nicely and doesn't leave any oily residue whatsoever. So this is well suited for the people who are looking for any natural product which doesn't make their face look like a grease ball. You know what I mean if you have oily combination skin. Alright you guys, so that was all for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did so, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section down below if you want to see videos like this in future. And I will see you next time. Till then, bye.